Welcome to our app design presentation. In this presentation, we'll take you through the design and evaluation of a persuasive health intervention app called Benefit, which is designed to motivate home-based bodyweight exercise in two different types of culture. Physical activity has become a global problem due to advancement in technology and industrialization. This has increased the prevalence of non-communicable diseases such as type 2 diabetes in both low and high-income countries. Meanwhile, research shows persuasive technology can be employed as a motivational tool to tackle physical inactivity through personalization. Specifically, research shows culture can be leveraged as an effective personalization mechanism for motivating behavior change. Thus, using Hofstede's cultural framework, we set out to employ culture-tailored fitness app to motivate physical activity in Hofstede's two main types of culture, individualist and collectivist. Using the design science research approach, we conducted user studies on behavior change and used the findings to inform the design of a culture-tailored persuasive app. Based on Bandura's social cognitive model of behavior, we found that personal factors are the strongest driver of physical activity among Canadians living in Canada, an individualist culture, while social factors are the strongest drivers of physical activity amongst Nigerians living in Nigeria, a collectivist culture. For Canadians, personal drivers of physical activity, self-efficacy, and self-regulation were mapped to personal strategies such as goal setting, self-monitoring, and reward in the persuasive technology domain. For Nigerians, social drivers of physical activity, social support, were mapped to socially based strategies such as goal setting, cooperation, and social learning. To confirm the culture-specific social cognitive drivers of physical activity behavior in the persuasive technology domain, we conducted another study to determine the susceptibility profiles of Canadians and Nigerians using storyboards, which illustrate 5 common persuasive strategies such as goal setting, reward, cooperation, and social learning. These strategies were rated and ranked by participants in terms of perceived persuasiveness. We confirmed our culture-specific social cognitive drivers of physical activity in the persuasive technology domain. We found that Canadians are only susceptible to personal strategies, reward, goal setting, and self-monitoring, while Nigerians are susceptible to both personal and social strategies, such as goal setting, reward, cooperation, and so we implemented 2 tailored versions of the Benefit app, based on our culture-specific findings. The personal and social versions are tailored to Canadians and Nigerians respectively. The difference between both versions is that the personal version implements reward, goal setting, and self-monitoring on an individual basis, while the social version implements them on a group basis. Moreover, the app is equipped with culture-tailored behavior models, which demonstrate how to perform different types of bodyweight exercises, such as chair dips, crunches, and other activities correctly. For example, shown on the screen is the black male behavior model, performing a chair dip exercise. Finally, the app provides users with visual summary statistics of their activities, such as total step count, calories burned, and other statistics. The Benefit app leverages state-of-the-art cloud-based services to realize its functionalities. Shown on the screen is the architecture of the app, showing the communication among key components, such as the messaging system for sending users daily tips. We are currently evaluating the effectiveness of the Benefit app tailoring using two-way ANOVA based on culture and app version. To investigate the overall effect of the app in each culture, we're conducting a 4-week pilot study in Canada and Nigeria, in which we track participants' physical activity. 20 participants from each country will have to use each version of the app, as well as a control version, which logs users' exercises. For example, In the individualist culture, we'll compare the personal with the control version. To investigate the effect of tailoring, we'll compare the tailored version with the contra-tailored version in each type of culture. For example, in the collectivist culture, we will compare the social version with the personal version. We hope our tailored app will help people become active.